almost all the startups, they are looking to build remote teams.
Yes.
Even at the company that we are building, we have teams spread across the world. And we have realized that the way the culture gets built, it's so dynamic. It brings in different flavors, and the output is so much better than you could have achieved in like being at one location or forming a team from just one geography. It's so dynamic. It allows you
And
to
you
be-
know, by the way, you know that with consultants,
Yeah.
you have to bring in teams from multiple locations around the
Exactly.
world, and they have to learn how to
Yeah.
get over the boundaries or the barriers of different cultures and be able to work with somebody. You might have a team with have somebody from Saudi Arabia, somebody from India, somebody from the U.S. all working on it, and you have to get by that. And if you've never experienced anything, you don't know anything about their culture. You need the ability. It doesn't mean you have to know everything, but you
Yeah.
have to have the mindset or the adventure in your mind to want to learn about something about that other person, which makes that interaction with multiple people that much easier.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'll just give you an example. When I first went to India years ago, the company said, okay, you're going to go there from Monday to Friday. And so many people do this. They travel on a business trip. They go for 2 meetings, for 2 days for meetings. And then they leave and they never saw anything. Oh, I've been to Dubai and I've been to Saudi Arabia. And I said, you really haven't. You arrived at the airport. And then you went to your meetings, and then you went back to the hotel, and then you had room service, and then you left. So it's not the experience that you should have. So I always, in my history, not necessarily, I can't do it all the time, but if I can, arrive on a Friday, for example. Look around the city. Go into a supermarket. You will understand people, and look at what technology that people use. See how people sit in a coffee shop. It's very different in one country versus the next. How they're using technology. Make an arrangement with your office that you're going to be talking to. And then ask them, hey, I would like you to spend some time with me because I want to get to know you better.
Wow.
So that is so important. I think that is critical to being able to build the bonds with people. Because, yes, technology is so important. But that human connection is not going away.
Yeah.
Technology is there to enable that and to make
So
things
true.
so much better and so much easier. It's not to replace it.